Good evening, class. So today we will start a new subject that is marketing management, and the chapter that I will take is pricing and distribution channel. What? Pricing and distribution channel. What is the name of the chapter? It's pricing and distribution channels. This is also a MCQ based paper. Okay, book suggestion, you can buy Oxford's book. Okay, there are several books available in the market. Buy any one. Okay, the Oxford book will be a better one. You can buy that. So my chapter will be what? Pricing and distribution channel. I will take this chapter. The paper is a MCQ based paper, so similar you have attempted business law and all. Similarly, the MCQ based questions will come in this paper also. I will provide you all the MCQs for my chapter, and I will give the notes. Okay, so let's start. So what is the concept of price? What is the concept of price? দাম। আমরা যে দাম নির্ধারণ করি, আমরা একটা কোনো জিনিসের মূল্য নির্ধারণ করি, তো on what basis this price is determined? Or I can ask you another question. What do you mean by price? What is the concept of price? Now, I cannot ask you, but what is the concept exactly? What is price? Now, if you will think that, ma'am, it is the amount charged for a product. Yes, exactly, it is the amount charged for a particular product or a service. It is the amount charged for a particular product or some service that we are availing. এইটা মূল্য আমি কোন বেসিসে নির্ধারণ করছি? অন দ্য বেসিস অফ দ্য প্রোডাক্ট। যে দ্রব্যটা আমি নিচ্ছি সেই দ্রব্যটার দাম, সেই দ্রব্যটার জন্য যে ভ্যালুটা আমাকে দিতে হচ্ছে, দ্যাট ইজ প্রাইস। Correct? So price is what? It is an amount charged or money charged for a product or services. Or we can say it is a sum of values that consumer exchange for the benefits of having or using the product or services. It is what? It is the sum of values. The values, we are summing up the values that a consumer can derive from a product, and this sum of values forms price. What values? The values that the consumer are getting from the use of the product. Okay, from the use of the product. Now, how can you determine value? My next question will be, how can you determine the value of a product? On what base the value of a product can be determined? Correct? এতক্ষণ আমি বুঝলাম যে it is an amount or it's the money charged for a product or services, or it is the sum of the values the consumer exchange for the benefits of having or using the product or services, whatever. Now, what is this value? Now, how can you determine the value? The next question comes immediately in our mind. Then how, ma'am, value can be determined of a product? How can we know that what the product, how much the worth of the product is to us? Now, this value can be determined by three things. Who said? Philip Kotler. According to Philip Kotler, this value, according to Kotler, this value we determine based on three things. What are these three things? Number one, it is need. Number one is need. Need means what? Need means what? What is the requirement of the product? What is the requirement of the product? How much do you require the product? তোমার চাহিদা কত জিনিসটার জন্য, দ্রব্যটার জন্য তোমার চাহিদাটা কত? What is the extent? What is the requirement? The need of the product. So first value, the first thing that adds value to a product is the customer's need. How much the customer is determined, how much the customer actually needs the product. Like we every day we need to eat food. That is our basic requirement. Similarly, whether the product is having the capability to fulfill the customer's basic requirement, that is called the need of the product. Correct? Number 2, want. A specific requirement of the product to satisfy. Suppose যখন আমরা কিছু কেনাকাটি করি, when we purchase something, suppose we are purchasing a mobile phone, we have certain specification in our mind that the product should have this, a good camera, again according to few, a good camera, that's the main need, a good sound. Okay, so this is what we are looking into that mobile phone. A good storage capacity, correct? These are the specifications that we are looking. That suppose that I am looking, while I will go to purchase, when I will go to purchase a mobile phone, I will look into this matters, or when you will go to purchase a mobile phone, you will look into this matters. So this determines the want of a product. What product do you want? Whether the product is satisfying whatever you need, whatever you require. তুমি যে স্পেসিফিকেশনগুলো চাইছো, তুমি যেই জিনিসগুলো চাইছো, সেটা কি তোমার প্রোডাক্টটা স্যাটিসফাই করতে পারছে? সেইটা কি করে ডিফাইন করে যে তুমি প্রোডাক্টটা কত চাইছো? ওয়ান্ট কি? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ওয়ান্ট অফ দ্য প্রোডাক্টের? চাহিদাটা কত? প্রোডাক্টের নিডটা কত? Correct? And number 3 is demand. Now this is also a very important factor. We all know that without demand, price cannot be determined. The more the demand, the more we can properly determine or understand what will be my price, what will be my pricing strategies. Or the less the demand, we have to determine another pricing strategy. So what is demand? It is nothing but set of wants. It is nothing but what? Set of wants. Set of wants. আমার একটা মোবাইল ফোন কিনতে গিয়ে, when you are going to purchase a phone, we are having set of wants. I need to look at the storage, I need to look at its sound, I need to look at the video quality. This combining this set of wants brings this demand. It is my desire to get such a product and my ability to purchase a product. আমি কিন্তু আমার যা এবিলিটি, তার বাইরে কিন্তু আমি কোনোদিন জিনিস কিনতে যাব না। আমার যদি ক্ষমতা হয় যে আমি একটা স্যামসাং মোবাইল ইউজ করব, আই উইল গো ফর আ স্যামসাং ওয়ান, বিকজ আই হ্যাভ দি এবিলিটি টু পে ফর আ স্যামসাং সেট. If my ability is to pay for an iPhone, I will go for an iPhone. So without looking at the ability, my demand would never arise. আমার ডিমান্ড কখন আসে? আমি একটা আইফোন কিনবো ভাবছি কখন? যেই সময় আই হ্যাভ দ্য এবিলিটি টু পারচেজ অর টু অ্যাফোর্ড দি আইফোন. When will my, what will determine my ability? What will determine my demand? My ability to pay for the product. If I want to purchase an iPhone, then the demand, I want an iPhone, this is a demand that is coming from my side, means that I have the ability to pay for the iPhone. Correct? So demand is set of wants, it is a desire and the ability to pay for a product. So এতক্ষণ কি বললাম? What is price? Concept of price. What is the concept of price? It is nothing, it is the money charged for a particular product. It's the amount of a product that we are paying for a product, or it is the exchange value, sum of values. Okay, sum of the values. Now what is this values? These values can be determined by 3 things. One is the need, one is the want, another is the demand. Need means what? Whether the product fulfills my basic requirement. একটা জিনিসের আমি চাই কখন? যখন আমার সেই জিনিসটা আমার কাছে নেই, I require that product. Correct? Another is the want. So what is the want? Want, when it comes, a specific requirement of the product. A specific requirement, certain specification that we are finding in a product. That is want. And when we combine our different requirements together, that is a set of wants, forms the demand. And demand will only come based on your desire, how much you want the product, and based on your ability to pay for a product. This determines the values. And when we combine all these values, then we get the price. Then only we can set up a price of the product. Is it clear? Is it okay? Then now if I ask you, what is the significance? Now we are done with the concept of pricing. Now I'm asking you, what is the significance of pricing? Why pricing is necessary? What is the importance of pricing? My students' first answer will be, ma'am, it will help us to determine the profit. It will help us to determine the profit. Yes, that is the first thing. It will help us to determine my return. It will help us to determine my profit. Right? This, we know, when we minus sales minus cost, we get profit. Because for a product, we have to bear a cost. For making the product, for distributing the product, for everything we have to bear a cost. And whenever I will price the product, it will be above my cost so that I gain certain thing, I get some return. And that is my first significance of pricing, is to gain return. Correct? Fine? Okay.